Sometimes you're really amazed at what we as a human race have figured out, but there are still things we don't have an answer to yet. Topped in today, 10 questions that science cannot answer. But before we start with the video, subscribe to our channel to not miss any more exciting videos in the future, and give this video a thumbs up to support us as a new YouTube channel. But now let's start with the list. Number 10. Is there a God? It is the question of all questions. Is there a supreme being who created everything and controls what happens in the world? Since the dawn of mankind, in almost every culture there has been a belief in supernatural, omnipotent deities who control everything that happens around you. In earlier times, this was mainly due to things like natural phenomena or pandemics, which people could not explain. Nowadays, a big reason why many people believe in a God is because the origin of life in the universe is scientifically very unlikely. The mathematician Roger Penrose calculated that the probability of life evolving in the universe is closer to zero than anyone ever imagined. But to date, there is no clear scientific evidence for the existence of a God. Probably there never will be. Number 9. Why do we dream? In ancient times, dreams were believed to be the transition from the world of men to the gods. Nowadays, of course, this assumption has been scientifically disproved. Many scientists believe that dreams are closely connected with the subconscious mind and that we process our emotions and fears while dreaming. Nevertheless, until today, it could not be completely clarified why we dream, and especially why we dream such strange things remains a mystery. Number 8. What is at the bottom of a black hole? The gravitational pull of black holes is so great that everything that enters their field of attraction remains trapped there forever. Although scientists know a lot about black holes, it is still unclear what is at the bottom of them. Some scientists believe that black holes are portals to other universes or to other places in our universe. Unfortunately, it is not possible to prove or disprove these theories today, and so this question remains a mystery until today. Number 7. How are memories stored and retrieved? When you learn something new, the process is seen in the synapses and neurons of the brain. However, neurologists cannot say what exactly happens in this process and how knowledge is stored. While there are various theories about how memories are stored, how they are retrieved remains a complete mystery. Scientists hope to soon understand how we can remember things in a fraction of a second that happened decades ago. Although a lot of research has already been invested in this topic, there is still no solution to this question. Number 6. What is the universe made of? Atoms that are all around us make up only 5% of our universe. Nobody knows what the other 95% is made of. In recent years, astronomers have discovered that the universe consists of two components: dark matter and dark energy. Scientists believe that dark matter holds galaxies together, while dark energy drives the expansion of the universe. Because neither dark matter nor dark energy can be made visible, it is not yet possible to detect them or understand what they are made of. Number 5. How does the placebo effect work? The fact that a fake medicine can help a patient just because he believes it will help has fascinated scientists for years. Clinical studies over the last 25 years have shown that the placebo effect actually increases in a wide variety of trials. The placebo medicaments activate exactly the same messenger substances in the brain that are also released by real pain medication. Scientists are still investigating how this is possible. Number 4. What happens after death? Everyone has to die at some point, whether they want to or not, and every human being has ever asked himself what happens after death. The fact is, no one knows. Many religious views talk about the entrance into the afterlife, which consists of heaven and hell. According to this, deceased people go to heaven or hell, depending on how they live during their lifetime. On the other hand, an astonishing number of people who were clinically dead for a short time report a state in which their consciousness separated from their body and they could observe their body from a bird's eye view. Also, many of these people tell about a long corridor with a bright light at the end of this corridor and an encounter with a supernatural being, sometimes even with Jesus himself. What exactly it has to do with it is not completely clarified until today. It remains a mystery. Number 3. Do ghosts exist? The existence of ghosts has been discussed for centuries. Countless people report encounters with ghosts. In addition, there are thousands of videos and photos that are supposed to prove the existence of ghosts. Scientific proof has not yet been found. Ghost hunters and scientists have tried to find evidence with the help of electromagnetic fields and thermal imaging cameras. However, this has not worked. Since the ghost theory could neither be proven nor disproven, this remains a mystery. Number 2. Why did the Big Bang occur? Scientists believe that our universe was created by the Big Bang about 13.7 billion years ago. According to some scientists, the entire universe was in a bubble thousands of times smaller than the head of a pin. The bubble exploded and space, time, and matter emerged. All began with the Big Bang. Within a fraction of a second, the universe had expanded from not even the size of an atom to a space larger than a galaxy. I know this is really unbelievable and difficult to imagine. But how and why the Big Bang happened? That is still unclear and a mystery. Number 1. Are we alone in the universe? There are numerous films about aliens visiting our Earth, but there is no scientific basis for this so far. Nevertheless, considering the incredible size of the universe, it actually seems unlikely that we are alone in the universe. But where are the extraterrestrials? For decades, scientists have been searching for extraterrestrial life around us in space. Unfortunately, so far without any form of proof, there is no trace of any form of extraterrestrial life. Maybe in a few years there will be first findings. So far, however, this remains a mystery. That was Top 10 with 10 questions that science can't answer. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that we can meet again in the next video. Thanks for tuning in and see you next time.